Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is June the 4th, afternoon, somewhere around 4 o'clock. Cloudy. Most of the rain missed us, but we got what we got, and that's it. And we're happy and blessed for that. What we did get. But this is a split from the big hive from yesterday that we were watching. And we marked her on 6-1. She was laying good. 5:26, we didn't see a queen or eggs. My shield that everybody knows about and wise. Enough of that. This is my little feeder. And we have ball beds. Get the side first. Pull it out, and we have a little foundation. Nothing on it. So they don't need the room yet. Pollen patty, they're eating, so we're going to move it for them. Without any rain and stuff, people, the bees have been kind of nectar poor. They're not building up big. This one here, no queen, but they're building the foundation here, building it here. They got a little honey right here as a cap, and a bunch of nectar in here on both sides. So they're getting what they can. But this is the way most of the little hives are working, because I'm feeding them. Their grocery costs more than my grocery. Here's another one, sort of kind of like the first one. They got good engineers. There's a white dot queen. There it is. She is right. I don't know why these things are backwards. She was there. She's right here now. There we go. Right here, right now. She's marked, so we know she's laying. I don't mark virgin queens. They have to come back and start laying. So we know this one's got eggs in here somewhere. This is all eggs, front and back side. We check again to make sure we still got our queen over here. There she is. Right there. But without any rain, there's no nectar, nothing's growing with pollen on it. And if we did, we've been in kind of a drought for the last month and a half. Okay, we have larvae and eggs in here. Little honey right up here. Same thing on that side. Like I say, she's a new queen. As you notice, there's not that many stores on here. This one has some stores. It has pollen, nectar, honey's up here. and not quite as much on that side, but got a little bit. And we stick it back on the outside here. And we put them all back just the way they were. And they will fill these up as they need them. Some people, why ain't they building all the frames? Well, they don't need them yet. They don't have enough bees to guard them. And like me, I don't have enough bees to guard. They do okay with this, 4 frames. Well, actually 3.5, but they do real good with it. Take care of it. Take care of mama. Take care of the babies. Back on there. Put it back here. And put my brick on it this way. I know it's marked. This is a double. It has 2 frames on this side, 2 frames this side, split in the middle. That's why the top is. That's that. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Comment good. Saw something you liked, let us know. Saw something you didn't like, let us know. We'll be sweet about it. And we thank you, and bye-bye. Stay in South Carolina, happy bees.